In this video, I'll show you how to insert a text box in Google Docs. First, open your Google Docs file. Now, go to the top menu and click on the word that says Insert. From the drop-down menu, look for the option called Drawing. Hover over it and then click New. This will open the drawing window. This is where you'll be able to create your text box. At the top of this new window, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the icon that looks like a small box with a T in it. That's the text box tool. Now move your mouse to the white space below, click and drag to draw your text box. You'll see a rectangular area appear. Once you've drawn the box, click inside it and start typing. You can add any text you like. If you want to make changes to the font, the size, or the color of your text, you can use the options in the toolbar above. These tools work just like the ones you normally use in your document. When you're happy with how your text looks, go to the top right corner of the drawing window and click on the button that says Save and Close. The text box will now appear in your document exactly where your cursor was when you started. But there's one more thing. By default, the text box might be hard to move. It may behave like it's stuck in place. To fix that, click once on the text box to select it. Now, look for a small menu that appears underneath it. You'll see 3 layout options. Click on the one in the middle. It's called Wrap Text. Once you choose that, you can drag the text box anywhere on the page. You can also resize it by dragging the corners. If you ever need to make changes to the text inside the box, just click on it, then click on the Edit button that appears below. This will open the drawing window again, and you can make any edits you want. That's it. You now know how to insert, edit, and move a text box inside Google Docs. Thanks for watching.